Hi everyone, welcome back to my lab and today's video, which is going to be my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I'm probably the last person to upload their video, but Chicago has got quite a run of bad weather going, and so my package was just delayed. I'm very excited that it finally arrived. If you're new to my channel, I know that these videos have a tendency to draw new viewers, so if you enjoy my unboxing, I would love it if you give me a chance, subscribe to my channel, and check out some of my other content. Now let's get into the box. Now I have to say this year I was only able to purchase the regular box. Last year I purchased the extra large box and I got very lucky. But this year those sold out super quickly. Alright, so here's what you've probably been seeing from every other channel. So like I was saying, this year the large box sold out super quickly. I definitely did not make it in time to purchase an extra large one like I did last year, and I have to say I was a little bit grouchy about that because they used to have a $1,000 yearly spend limit in order to qualify to even purchase the box, and they lifted that this year without really saying anything. But in any case, I didn't make it this time around. All the amount of money I spent on Beautylish anyway, it's very unlikely that I wouldn't get any repeats, but I thought it would just be a really great opportunity to maybe get some new stuff as well as some stuff for a giveaway on my channel. So let's go ahead and get into the box. I have a couple of little packages here. I have a partition here, but there's something in there. And then I have a little bag. The rest is just padding. I would describe the card and everything else for you, but my guess is you've seen it quite a few times already. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this larger package first. Feels like there's a couple of things in here. Yes, so let me put it down. Alright, the first thing is a Charlotte Tilbury palette, and this is actually something that I don't have. However, it's not necessarily something I've been wanting. This is one of her instant look in a palette. The reason why these don't appeal to me too much is that they're a little bit neutral and more like for everyday wear, but I mean, I have a job. I could use it for every day. I'll take a quick peek of it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to add it to a giveaway, so I'm not going to swatch it right now, but we can definitely open it up and take a look. This is the Smokey Eye Beauty palette. I have been wanting to try more Charlotte Tilbury now that they are carried at Sephora. As you can see, it's a very neutral palette. It's very light as well. I'm not sure how well that this would show up on my skin tone. I did purchase the light to medium box. Pretty, at least it's something that I don't have, right? So that's definitely good. I will put the prices of everything on the screen as I usually do during hauls and things like that. So there was more in that little container. Here we have something from Scandinavia. This is a setting spray. I believe this is the same company that makes the sprays for Urban Decay. And I've heard really great things, so let's see which one I have. Alright, so I have the Scandinavia Makeup Finishing Spray, and this is the bridal version, which is supposed to help keep makeup looking flawless and photo ready. I don't think there will be any bridal in my future, but I definitely want my skin to be flawless and photo ready, so I'm definitely glad to have this. I don't have any setting spray from Scandinavia in my collection. I only have the Urban Decay ones, so another win. Alright, and in that same package, everyone has been getting something from the Good Molecules. I think this is going to be a new skincare line to Beautylish in the affordable price range. And I have the Wake Up Eye Serum. It's formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and deep puff, which sounds perfect for me. You are to massage a few drops into the skin around the eyes in the morning and at night. So that's awesome. If you're not new to my channel, you do know that my eyes are my problem area with regard to skincare. Very cute little bottle. I like the name as well since it's called Good Molecules. I do enjoy everything lab and chemistry related. Cute little item to try. Again, no repeats so far. I'm really shocked. All right, we have a little one here. Something round, maybe like powder. Well, it's a Boom Boom Cream, a little, one of the $20 size of the Boom Boom Cream. If you've seen my empties, you've seen lots of these in my empties, so even though this is a repeat, this is a very welcome repeat. I don't know if I've seen any of these in anybody else's unboxings. I've been stalking YouTube and Instagram to see everybody's unboxing. The last thing was the item that was working as a partition. I would really love to get a brush in here. I saw some people got mirrors. Oh my goodness, that was awesome. There is a brush in here, and this is a Wayne Goss brush. This is the Wayne Goss number 18 brush. I quite probably have this brush already in my collection, but his brushes are all absolutely amazing. I love them so much. It was through my very first Lucky Bag that I discovered Wayne Goss, and I've been a loyal customer ever since. This year they put Sonia G brushes in the boxes, and so I think that's great. I really hope that it helps her get her brand noticed, because you know, if you're not sure what the brushes are gonna be like, it could be hard to take that initial leap in spending that much money on a makeup brush. So that's what happened to me, and you know, good or bad, I'm definitely happy because the Wayne Goss brushes are amazing. And the last thing is, it looks like a makeup bag. So this is from My Kit Company or My Kit Co. Struggling with this one because it was folded so flat. Alright, here we go. So it is a little makeup travel pack. I actually like it for brushes. It's a nice length to carry some brushes, and you can see through it as well, which makes it handy to figure out the brush that you have when you're traveling. So I think that's everything in my bag. Sometimes some bags are extra lucky and they have a gift card inside. That was not me this year. Actually, I've never gotten one of those, but I've seen a lot of people have gotten them, and so that's a nice little bonus to get as well. So I had 6 items in my box, and I have to say that my favorites, my very first favorite has to be the Wayne Goss brush. I love brushes. You can never have too many in my opinion, so this is definitely a win. I also absolutely love the Bum Bum cream. I need to figure out what to do with myself because I cannot afford to be using a $45 body lotion. So thank you Beautylish for the little refill. And then I really am excited about the setting spray. I've heard great things about Skindinavia. The eye serum is also a win. Again, it's almost like if it was chosen for me. I'm very interested to try out the brand, and hopefully it is affordable so that if I like it, works well, then I can continue to purchase that one. My 2 least favorite items in the box is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look in the palette and the makeup bag. I have a lot of makeup bags that come with samples or things like that, so they're not my favorite to receive. However, kudos to Beautylish for not really giving me duplicates. I mean, maybe the brush and definitely the lotion, but these are things that you will always use. I mean, a brush you can always use a backup, and this I run out of all the times. So that was my unboxing. I think I did pretty well for a $75 investment. I think I paid $75 plus shipping, which was $85, but I did have a $20 gift card that I applied to this purchase from the gift card event that they have at the end of the year. So I paid even a little bit less. Do I think that I got my money's worth? I do. The items that are here definitely worth $75 or $55 or $65, whatever I paid. It's definitely worth it. Again, I'm just excited. No repeats. I'm shocked with my makeup collection. Very well done, Beautylish. So thank you so much for another great year of Lucky Bags. I look forward to doing it again next year. I think the anticipation that builds up in the month that you have to wait for it gives you a nice rush. So I enjoyed it. I will definitely be doing it again. Let me know how you did in your Lucky Bag. If you have an unboxing, let me know in the comment section down below, because chances are I've already seen it, but if I haven't, I'll definitely go check it out. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It makes me really happy to see that positive feedback on my videos, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I'll see you again really, really soon on my next one. Bye-bye.